Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW i8 Roadster versus Lamborghini, which is better. Focus on performance, design, comfort, and ownership costs as we break these cars down. I'll highlight horsepower, handling, daily usability, and relative expenses so you can judge value. Expect honest impressions, quick comparisons, and practical tips for prospective buyers. Stay tuned for clear visuals, data points, and a final recommendation to help you decide confidently. Let's dive into performance differences and driving feel between the two cars. The i8 Roadster blends electric boost with efficient engineering, while the Lamborghini focuses on raw, naturally aspirated power and visceral response. I'll compare acceleration, braking, steering feedback, and daily drivability for real roads and track settings. You'll get clear numbers, subjective impressions, and context for what each car offers to different driving styles and budgets. If you're enjoying this breakdown, please subscribe and like so we can keep making helpful car content. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, a small win for busy drivers who value routine and organization. I've linked the containers and other deals in the description, so check them out for a discount or more options. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll examine design, comfort, and practicality to see how each car fits daily life. The i8 Roadster offers futuristic styling, lightweight materials, and a more usable cockpit, while the Lamborghini delivers dramatic presence, driver-focused ergonomics, and tighter cabin space. I'll discuss cargo capacity, seating comfort, tech features, and long-term maintenance and resale realities, so you can weigh emotional appeal against ownership realities when choosing between passion and practicality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.